Hello everyone. Today we will see how to create API keys in ainisa.com. For this we need to go to API keys section, click create API key and fill in the fields. The title, for example, first key, allowed domains, it's better to fill it. It will help you for security. For example, if you write here domain name site.com, then the API key will receive requests only from this website. It will not allow requests to another from another website. So it's better to fill this field. And IP address. If you want to send API requests from your own server, then you have to add your server's IP address. Otherwise, your requests from your own server will not be allowed. This is only for security reasons. After you add your IP address 111, just example, and click to save. That's all. This is your API key. Then you need to use your public key and private key in your API requests. Your public key will be mostly used with your integrations.